morning, viewers. Welcome to consumer shorthand classes. This speed is 80 words per minute and is pertained to Telangana. And this examination was held in the month of July 2023. Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, I would like to thank you for the opportunity that has been given to me to speak on the food problem in the country. In this connection, I would like to bring to your notice that the government has been taking all necessary steps to solve the issues arising out of this problem. As you know, the people of this country generally expect that the government should continue to grant food subsidy as a matter of right, taking into consideration the needs of the people. The government is opening ration shops in rural as well as urban areas. I want to make it clear that though a large number of measures are being taken by the government, there has been a growing demand for a lot more to be done. I hope that you are aware of the fact that it is very necessary to supply food articles at subsidized rates only to those who live below poverty line. You may be surprised to know that a good portion of the subsidy is being utilized by the rich section of the people also. Of course, there are a large number of bogus ration cards among the general public. In my opinion, these have to be identified and weeded out as soon as possible. I hope you will agree with me when I say this. In spite of all our best efforts, nature is also against us so far as rains are concerned. There has been failure of monsoon for a long time. At the same time, the drought situation on account of this is creating great problems for the government. You have to bear in mind that they have to take relief measures so far as the people living in the drought affected areas are concerned. I hope and trust that the coupon system that has been introduced recently for the issue of rice to the general public will go a long way in helping the government to cut down to a certain extent the subsidy that has been given during the last few years. As a matter of fact, the most important thing is that the people should also realize the difficulties faced by the government in that matter. I do not want to take much of your time, and I would like to conclude my speech. Once again, thanking you for this opportunity. Letter from the Chief Secretary to Government, Chennai, to all district collectors. Sir, you are aware that after a drought we have now rains. It is reported that many roads have been affected in all parts of the state on account of this. It is the desire of the government that they should be restored to good condition as early as possible. So, necessary steps may be taken for this purpose. It is necessary that there should be pure water supplied to the people. If this is not done, it may lead to many diseases. It is said that there is difficulty in regard to this matter in some places. It is requested that necessary steps may be taken in this regard. It seems that there are difficulties in regard to supply of food when there are floods. I am directed to request that the situation may be watched and necessary measures taken in respect of this matter. Yours faithfully,